Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I know I haven't been on in a couple days, and I said to a few of y'all in the comment section on a couple of the other videos that my main laptop that I use to do all my editing and post my videos and just in general to do all my computer stuff, well, as you can see, it's toast. The motherboard went. I pulled it, tried all the tricks to get it to go, but evidently the solder is fractured because, and this is actually the third HP G62 that I've had do this. They work fine, they actually work great, they're fast, they're great for editing, and then all of a sudden when you're shutting it down one day, you hear this little snap, and it's where the GPU and CPU are, and boom, that's it. So I've actually had some hard copies of my editing program that I put on my other computer that I use to do my mailing and things like that. So I'm going to finish a video today and get it uploaded, and I've got the silver video in the works, but like I said, I was in the middle of editing that when this thing decided to croak. So anyway, I just wanted to post this little video, let you guys know where I am and why. So we will see you later on this afternoon. Like I said, hopefully I can get that other one finished up on the other computer now that I've got the Pro. I had to work all week too, so I didn't have a chance to work on this thing. So anyhow, it's a goner. It's officially going to become e-scrap. So we'll see you guys later on this afternoon. Have a good one.